Good morning, dear students. Next chapter is drainage. Only map item of this chapter are listed below to be evaluated in the examination. It will not come in PT. इसमें सिर्फ मैप वर्क आपको करना है, जिसमें से रिवर और लेक है, दो चीज़ें जिनको आपको पढ़ना है। और इसमें मेजर थिंग्स है कि आइडेंटिफिकेशन ओनली, मीन्स आपको उसको लोकेट करना, आइडेंटिफाई करना वो कहाँ पर है। देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ रिवर. First is the Himalayan river system, second is peninsular river system, and third Godavari and Mahanadi. And you have to study 4 lakes also. So let us start with the location of the Himalayan river. Under Himalaya river, there are 3 types of river. First is Indus, originating center is Tibet. Second is Ganga, originating is Uttaranchal or Uttarakhand now. Third is Satluj, source of Satluj is Tibet. First you will see these 3 river in map. Okay, this is the NCERT map which is given in your book. You can see this is Tibet. From Tibet the Indus has originated and moved towards west, and it gets end into the Arabian Sea near Karachi. Second is Ganga river. You can see this is the Ganga river. It has been originated in the Uttarakhand, moves from Uttar Pradesh to Bihar, then West Bengal, and it submerged into the West Bengal. This is the river Ganga, India's biggest river. And third is Satluj. It is also originated from the Tibet region. You can see the source of Satluj river lies in India. It is near Himachal Pradesh in India. It mixes with the other rivers, and in last its ending is in Arabian Sea. So these 3 Himalayan rivers you learn. This you have to practice in your map. So when you start this chapter, bring one map, physical map of India. There you have to do the practice of location of these rivers. Now we will move to the second part of it. Okay, the second part is peninsular river. Narmada, Tapi, Kaveri, Krishna. So we will see this river Narmada. River Narmada has been originated from the Amarkantak district of the Madhya Pradesh. River Tapi, source is the Baitul, MP. Both submerge into the Arabian Sea near the Gulf of Khambat. So let us see the river Narmada and Tapi. Okay, dear students, you can see this is the river Narmada, originating from the MP near Amarkantak and submerging into the Arabian Sea by making estuary near the Gulf of Khambat in Gujarat. Second is Tapi, originating from the Baitul of the Madhya Pradesh and submerging into the Arabian Sea near Gulf of Khambat, Gujarat. So these 2 are the river which makes estuary, and other all rivers of India make delta. Maximum of them submerge into the Bay of Bengal. Now next to peninsular river, that is Kaveri and Krishna. Kaveri originated in the Karnataka near Tal Kaveri region of Kodagu area of the Karnataka. It ends into the submerge into the Bay of Bengal in Tamil Nadu. So first we will see the Kaveri. Dear student, you can see this is the Kaveri river originating from here and submerging into the Tamil Nadu. originating from the Tal Kaveri region of Karnataka and submerging into the Tamil Nadu Kaveri river. Now we will move towards the Krishna river. Its originating place is the Mahabaleshwar in Maharashtra. It submerged into the Bay of Bengal in Andhra Pradesh in a district of the Krishna. You will see this in map. Okay, dear friends, this is the Krishna river originating from the Maharashtra region. It moves towards south and in the last is submerged into the Bay of Bengal near by making the delta near the Andhra Pradesh. This was the peninsular region river. 3 Himalayan river you study: Indus, Ganga and Satluj. 4 peninsular river: Narmada, Tapi, Kaveri and Krishna. Now we will learn about Godavari and Mahanadi. The river Godavari originates from the Maharashtra near Nasik. We will see it in the map. Dear student, you can see the Godavari river originating in the Maharashtra. This is the Godavari river below the Tapi river, and at last it is submerging into the Bay of Bengal in the Andhra Pradesh district. Now one of the most major river of India, Mahanadi, which originated from the Raipur district of the Chhattisgarh area, Chhattisgarh state, and it submerged into the Jharsuguda in Odisha, and at last the river gets submerged into the Bay of Bengal. Okay, this is the map of India. You can see the river Mahanadi. It has been originating from the Chhattisgarh area, traveling from Chhattisgarh to the Odisha, and at last this is submerging here into the Bay of Bengal. So you have seen all the 10 rivers and its area. Now all the river are completed. I think so. 3 Himalayan river, 4 peninsular region, 2 extra, means 9 river. I have told you. You have to locate it in the map of India. Now you will see the lake. 4 lake has been given in your syllabus: Vular Lake, Pulicat Lake, Sambar Lake and Chilka Lake. The Lake Vular is found in the Kashmir of the India. Pulicat is found in the Andhra Pradesh. Lake Sambar is found in the Rajasthan. Lake Chilka is a very famous lake of the Odisha. We will see the location of all these 4 lakes in the map. Okay, now you can see the map. This is the first is the Vular Lake. It is situated in the Kashmir district, Kashmir area of the India. Second is the Sambar, which is situated in the district, comes in the district of the Jaipur of the Rajasthan. It is the source of the salt, very salty lake in India. We used to get salt from this lake. Vular Lake is the biggest lake in India from where we can get the freshwater lake. Chilka, it lies in the Odisha state near the Puri. And fourth one is the Pulicat Lake. It is in the near the Nellore district of the Andhra Pradesh. It lies near, very close on the boundary of the Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. These 4 you have to locate. These 4 lakes you have to locate in the map of India also. I can show you one more map. Dear student, you can see in your NCERT map. This is Chilka Lake near the Mahanadi river's submersion. This is Pulicat Lake. First one is the Vular Lake in the Kashmir region, and here you can see it is not given, but it is the in Rajasthan near Jaipur. It is the Sambar. You can see the Sambar Lake. Yes, it is the salt lake. Name is Sambar Salt Lake. So all the 4 rivers are over, and all the 9 rivers. All the 4 lakes are over and all the 9 rivers are over. Now you have to do the work is, your homework is to locate it in your map and send it after locating to me on the Google Classroom or WhatsApp as your homework. So this chapter is over. If any problem is there, you can ask me. I will help you in the location of the river and lake. So tell me how much you like this video. Thank you, and thank you very much, students.